Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here with another video. Thank you so much for being here. I just I'm launching the actual website. Finally, I've been working so hard to get this website done. You can find there a lot of information when it comes to the course that will be coming soon, plus the actual mentorship that I'm doing every month. Okay, you can find some really cool information there if you want to check it out. I will be leaving the links on the description below. Let's get down to business. So let's see what's going to happen basically this week with this analysis with Nasdaq US 30. And I'll be checking some pairs as well today. Let's see what we're seeing here on a daily chart. This is US 30. We can see well, let me just go on a 4-hour. You can see that I have my supports and resistance drawn on a 4-hour. Okay, very important zones where the prices touch. Previously, the price was able to actually hold right here. You can see there was pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 or 7 candles right there on a 4-hour candles. So this zone right here, this is a 4-hour support. This is very strong. Was able to hold the price right there and then started to come back up, pushing back up very, very strong on Thursday and Friday last week. So what am I expecting right here for basically next week to do something like that? All right, I'm expecting for the price maybe by the time the market opens, which is in about a few minutes, about the next 25 minutes, 35 minutes. Price will be most likely just coming back in the Asian session. It will most likely be doing a retest. Maybe we'll reach this zone. Remember, this line right here. It's a 4-hour zone. Okay, it is not just a single line. You know that there is a zone. Okay, I just draw the line, but I am aware of this that the price could bounce everywhere in that zone. So most likely, during Asian session, the price will come back down maybe to do a retest. Most likely is going to form some type of flag. And tomorrow, either London session or New York session, I will be looking for buys somewhere around this zone. Let's see what's going to happen by the time the market opens. But I'm pretty sure it is going to do this type of movements. It's going to start pushing up now. Hopefully, as far as I'm seeing, pretty much all the Nasdaq stocks and US 30 stocks, everything is green right now. So yeah, I would say we're going to have a nice push up and maybe reaching new highs for next week. So definitely looking forward for that. Nasdaq, let's go ahead and take a look on Nasdaq what it's doing. This is the actual formation that it did last week. It was a very, very big head and shoulder pattern right there. This is the neckline right there, breaking, pushing up. So we are like, I would say maybe 30%, 20% about to reach the 4-hour support right there as well, resistance, I'm sorry. So once it reaches that point, we'll see what's going to happen, okay? If it starts breaking it, we could be creating actually new highs also not next week. After seeing this big head and shoulder, I think that's going to happen. I think the price would at least reach this zone, and then we're going to keep an eye to see if it forms, maybe if it breaks to the upside, and most likely we'll do then a retest, and that formation, that retest there might be coming something like this, forming a flag and then continuing to the upside. All right, might be doing something like that. Very possible. Hopefully it's going to continue pushing up like I'm seeing here on the stocks. Very, everything is pretty much green. Let's go with gold. Gold is kind of is doing a really nice movement. Just be careful there if you want to get in on gold. Let's just look at it on a daily. Just to give you an idea right there. Let me remove this block. All right, so that was pretty much my expectation from a few days back as well. I did draw this this line pretty much from here to that last high. It looks like kind of like a flag. And look at this thing that is happening on gold. I think I explained it also before that look at what the price did right here. Gold likes to do this type of double bottoms or double tops. Okay, look what's happening right here. You see this massive drop, massive correction right here. But take a look at this week, right? It did a double top, and then this week the price tried to push up, doing like a kind of like a third touch, but it was just a big weak rejection, and then started melting. All right. Now look what's happening here in the past. So double top, double bottom, I'm sorry, and then you see the same weak rejection that happened here. Okay, so it's kind of like a could be maybe just a fake out, pretty much cleaning stop losses right here, and price pushing up. Now, what do you see when the price is pushing up? You're seeing a bullish flag right there forming. A really nice 1 hour flag formation right there. So maybe by the time the Asian session starts, this thing will just continue maybe falling, and maybe somewhere here we'll make the decision. Right here, if it breaks, I'm going to continue moving my alerts because I may be looking for an entry there if it starts breaking the pattern, okay? So it's important. That's why I have some alerts also at the bottom, just to make sure I don't miss it. And let's see how it goes. It is definitely looking a nice, it is quite a nice formation there. You can clone that if you want as well. You can make some space right there. All right. So let's see what's going to happen there, okay, with gold. I wanted to show you a few pairs. A few pairs. You guys know me. You know I mostly I don't trade pairs unless I see something very special. All right. These are my expectations for NZDCHF. You saw me posting a short video on YouTube on NZD, JPY, and EURNZD. Actually seeing a butterfly pattern and a bat pattern. So this one on NZDCHF is kind of similar. I did not find any type of advanced pattern right here. I'm just seeing a triple touch, and plus just look at this massive drop, massive correction, plus it's creating a reversal pattern, okay? This reversal pattern right there, this is a 4-hour formation. So it did the touch. Now I'm gonna go on a 1 hour, and what I see is this. I'm gonna open my RSI, starting to see divergence right there, beautiful divergence. Now, there are plenty ways to get in here. On the breakout, which is already broken, it looks like it's already broken. But because an Asian session, this might still be looking to go down, okay? So be careful there. But even right there is a good position. It is a good position of entry. So aggressively could be there. If you want to wait, maybe be a little bit more conservative, you can wait this structure to be broken, since the price has created this structure right there. So if the price really wants to push up, you can maybe set some alerts like I'm doing here and wait for the breakout to happen to the upside right there. You enter. Where are you going to take your profits? Simple. When you see a push like that, you see a very push like that, you draw your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom. All right. And if you see the divergence telling you, plus I'm seeing the 3 touches on the trend, you can see it on a support, resistance, whatever there. So I'm seeing you see how many confluences are there already. So it's touching for the 3rd time my trend. That's a first confluence. I'm seeing a reversal pattern. That's the 2nd confluence. If the price breaks here or even breaks this structure, price action keeps telling you to buy, basically. Okay, because you're seeing the divergence. You're seeing already like 3 or 4 confluences right there, and you can aim your take profit to the 38. Where is the RSI? Right there, the 38.20, the 50, or 61.8. That would be first take profit, second take profit, third take profit for that. Okay, set my alerts right there in that zone. Now NZD JPY, this is what I showed you. That pattern, really nice pattern, plus beautiful 3 touches. This is what I look for. Same thing happening. Price, you see this melting all this week with just melting the price, and then creating a reversal pattern right there. Okay, that's a reversal pattern. Plus, you see now the bad. There's so many confluences here to tell me to buy. Jesus. Same thing. I will apply the same thing. I go on a 1 hour, even on a 4 hour, you were seeing already a divergence. On a 1 hour is even more beautiful right there. You see price. This is a low, higher low, low, lower low. So big divergence. Price starts to come up above the 50% on the RSI. If you want to get in on the safest way, wait for the breakout of this structure right here. Set your alerts, or you can place a buy stop. Same thing here with the take profit. So you go from the top to the bottom, take profit 138.20, 50, 61. All right, same thing is happening with EURNZD, but on the opposite direction. So it's basically, you see all this week, EURNZD was just flying, pushing up very strong. Guess what it's doing? Another reversal pattern right there is losing strength. Plus, you're seeing now more than 3 touches, so it's fine, good. And let's go again. Let's go again on a 1 hour. You see a beautiful divergence. Price is creating high, lower highs, and here is creating higher highs. Plus, it's consolidating. So same thing. You can set your alerts, or you can put a sell stop at this zone. You know where to take your profits when there's a push like that. First take profit 38.20, 50, 61.8 from this push to the upside. Okay, so many confluences for this week. Hopefully they will go perfect. So I'm not telling you to get in now. You have to wait for the price start actually melting, because this thing could still continue to the upside. Okay, this type of setups is very effective, but you have to be careful as well. Okay, don't over leverage that right there. All right. So I think that would be all. Oh, let me just show you a little bit of Bitcoin, or what's happening. Bitcoin keeps pushing up. It's kind of doing a pullback now, but geez, I missed the entire movement right there. This is definitely going to continue to the upside. Now, unless something happens here that maybe breaks this trend, we're on a nice uptrend right there on a daily. Checking it on a 4 hour. Look at this. This is just pure price action. It's beautiful, and I hate that I miss it. Sometimes my alert ring and I'm not in my computer, and I miss those entries. Look, the price. Meanwhile, the price is pushing up. It is creating flags, as I always tell you. And I missed all of these movements, man. Price keep pushing up, bringing the structures to the upside. So I have some alerts. Let me put this one here. That zone also here, most likely is going to consolidate, then be looking to break. If it breaks the 50, this is going to reach, pretty sure, the 60,000. Let's see if actually, you know, from the beginning of this year, everybody was saying this thing is going to reach the 100,000 this year. Do you think? Leave your comments below if you think that actually Bitcoin is going to reach that point. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe if the price starts reaching this point, I'm sure Elon Musk is going to say something, and that shit is going to melt all the way down again, most likely. So, anyways, not hating on Elon Musk. He's a real pro. But I think that will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new on the channel, please subscribe, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments if you have any questions. Follow me on Telegram if you want to see me actually posting all the information, basically daily analysis there before the New York Stock Exchange opens. And keep an eye on the next course that will be coming in soon. Take it easy, guys. Thank you for being here.